G'day guys, when playing Pokemon Gen 2 on cheap handhelds which lack a real-time clock, you'll notice the time doesn't progress like it would on a genuine cart. Thankfully, it is possible to manually change the time, although it can be a bit tedious. The steps differ slightly between Pokemon Crystal and Pokemon Gold and Silver, but you will need to know your trainer ID, cache, and your trainer name for all three games. To find your trainer ID, simply press the start button and select your name from the list. So for me, Chris. Inside this menu, you should be able to find your player's name, which is case sensitive. So for me, it's all uppercase, CHRIS. You'll also see your trainer ID and your money. You will need to know all three of these to generate the special password. If your handheld only supports save states and not in-game saving, like the GB300 or SF2000 on stock firmware, you can load the state like we've done here, save in-game as you would normally, and then soft resetting the system by holding A and B and pressing start and select. When you get back to the main screen, you'll notice your in-game save did work. Next, we need to enter a special button combo to bring up the password menu. This is where the steps differ, so we'll start with Pokemon Crystal. On this screen, hold select, down, and B, release down, release B, hold left and up, and release select. A new screen should pop up asking if you want to reset the clock. Go down to yes, and press A. And this is where we'll need to enter our password. We'll generate the password in the next step. For Pokemon Gold, on the main title screen, you want to hold select and press down and press B. When it asks if you want to reset the clock, go down to yes, and it will ask you to enter a special password. We'll generate this password on the next step. We're over on our Windows 10 PC now. Just open up Google Chrome and gone to the PokeWiki's secret code generator. I will post a direct link to this site in the description below. From here, we want to select our game, either Gold or Silver or Crystal. Next, we want to select the game language, so what region, we're using English. And finally, we want to enter our trainer ID, trainer name, and the amount of money we have. Trainer ID is pretty simple. Trainer name is case sensitive, so if you've used a mixture of uppercase and lowercase characters in-game, make sure you use the same formatting here. For me, it was all uppercase, CHRIS, which was one of the default names you can pick when you start the game. And finally, the amount of money we have, which for me was 3,000. Once you've entered all that, click calculate. The next page should show your password. This is the number we'll enter on the secret menu that we unlocked by using the series of button presses. Back on our handheld now, we just want to enter the code that we generated previously. For me, it was 01228. So using the up and down buttons to change the number, 01228. Once you've entered the correct number, just press A. It should say password OK, select continue, and reset settings. It should automatically reset the game, and when you're back on the main menu, it should say time not set. Simply press A to continue, press A again, and it should ask you to set the time. Enter your new time, and press A to confirm. Press A again, and the clock has now been changed. That's all there is to it. This is useful for catching Pokemon that only appear during the day or night, or to activate certain events. It's worth noting there are custom ROM hacks that freely allow you to change the time in-game without using the special buttons or password generator. I think that'll do it for today. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.